Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 45. So this is our exercise 45 and first of all we will draw these profile and then we will extrude it up to 20, and next thing is we will cut 10 by 30 portion from this circle and then extrude it. So select sketch tool. Now create a circle of dia 60 and 50. I am using shortcut C for a circle, and next thing is draw a rectangle from center which will pass it from quadrant. This is a quadrant sign, so it is cut from the quadrant. So we simply draw a rectangle which is passing from the quadrant of the circle. So use trim tool. Okay. Next thing is click on finish sketch and then extrude it. So the extrusion is of 20. Okay. Now next thing is we have to cut this here. Okay, so to do this simply select the plane, this plane. Okay, now create a rectangle, give its dimension 10. It is 10, so and it is 5 from this edge, so specify value 5, and it is up to a 30 from this top. Okay, so select this one and specify the value 30. Okay, next thing is finish sketch, home button, extrude tool, and then extrude throughout the body, and the operation will be cut and it will cut, and here you will get your desired 3D model. Okay, now if we check its dimension, so this one and this one is of 10. Okay, distance from this and this, we want vertical distance, so it is 30. So this one z direction from here to here, it is 30. Okay, and the x direction, this is z direction and it is x, so this point is 30 at the z axis, and x axis it is 30. This is the horizontal distance, so we will not consider it. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.